Hi everyone, welcome to 100th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Tissa from Mass Communication and Journalism Department, Siliguri, second semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Siliguri Youth Parliament debates One Nation, One Election. Siddharth Chhetri of Political Science 6th semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri, Department of Political Science, in collaboration with IQAC, organized its first edition of Inter-College Youth Parliament on 15th March 2023. 33 participants from 8 different institutions participated. Alumnus of Salesian College Siliguri, Speaker Shruthi moderated the Youth Parliament along with Special Rapporteur Jerome Tam. The judges were Assistant Professor from Department of Management and Vocational Studies Dr. Dipankar Rudra and Assistant Professor, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism Mr. Irfan A. Azam. The agenda for the simulation was One Nation, One Election, in which the students were divided into 2 groups, for and against, which witnessed 5 productive and very fruitful debates, discussions and deliberations. After 2 sessions of Parliament, everyone headed towards the Marengo Hall for the closing ceremony, in which the winners were acknowledged and awarded. The program ended with a vote of thanks by the Deputy Head of Department of Political Science, Mr. Jitendra Shah.
Siddharth Chhetri reporting. Siliguri NSS holds annual rural camp at Samthar. Brother Banhunlang Lyngdoh reports.
Some 20 Salesian College NSS Unit 2 volunteers and 3 faculty members ventured on a work camp to Samthar Basti, Kalimpong from 14th to 20th March 2023. 3 past presidents of NSS joined them from the 4th day. On the first day, the volunteers had campsite cleaned and conducted a short survey of the village. The second and third days began with morning assembly with exercise and road construction with the villagers. On the 4th day, the team divided themselves for classroom painting, cleaning the Don Bosco School Samthar premises, cooking, and interaction with children of a lower kindergarten to class 5. On the 5th day, the volunteers spent the day cleaning the health center and performed awareness activity on drug addiction and human trafficking. On the 6th day, a cultural program was organized for the villagers in spots in the church in the morning and in Don Bosco School in the evening with the same theme, awareness on drug addiction and human trafficking. The evening hours were kept for cultural item practices, each day review and planning. On 7th day, the campsite was cleaned and the volunteers thanked Principal of Don Bosco School, Father Xavier, and the villagers. The camp was held under the leadership of Assistant Professor Pushering Sherpa, Ma'am Shraddha Sharma, and Ma'am Rini Bhadra.
Banhunlang Lyngdoh reporting. Siliguri PhD holders encouraged to organize seminars and conferences. Assistant Professor Shilpita Gine reports.
Salesian College Siliguri PhD holders held a meeting under the chairperson of Salesian Research Center, Principal Father Professor George Thadathil, on 14th March 2023. Professor George Thadathil encouraged faculty members to organize seminars and conferences and avail opportunities for receiving grants for the same. Dr. Giri conveyed that the Department of History is already in the process of applying for a grant. Dean Collaborations and Extensions, Mr. Dhirudatta Subba, observed that the college could tie up with Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Pune, for various activities of the Science Deanery. The chair further encouraged the faculty members to apply for co-guiding PhD scholars, tying up with North Bengal University.
Shilpita Gine reporting. Siliguri Physics Department marks Pi Day with special lecture. Bahadur Biswakarma of Physics 4th semester reports.
The Department of Physics held its 5th annual Pi Day, the birth anniversary of Albert Einstein and the death anniversary of Stephen Hawking on 14th March 2023. The day started with a talk by Principal Father George Tharathil, followed by a talk by Registrar Professor S. Das, who gave an overview of Einstein's work. The main talk of the day was by Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Mr. Mayuk Mazumdar, who gave an overview of the life and contributions of a lesser-known Indian physicist, Dr. A.K. Ray Chhetri. Subhayu Bose and Bhaskar Prasad conducted a fun-based Bollywood quiz. They concluded with a vote of thanks and the screening of the documentary, Einstein's Big Idea. After lunch, the physics students made posters commemorating the occasion, which was followed by a cake-cutting ceremony.
Bahadur Vishwakarma reporting. Siliguri, history students visit Coins and Currency exhibition. Shruthi Giri of History Department 2nd semester reports.
First year and second year history students of Salesian College Siliguri visited the North Bengal University Museum exhibition featuring coins and currencies of India and around the world on 15th March 2023. The coins and currencies from some 200 countries exhibited ranged from different era, showing the political power and economic wealth of a dynasty or an empire. For example, the Gupta Empire used gold coins indicating the economic stability of the empire by the value of the metal they used. Each coin provides facts about its own era or place of origin, from the language, image, dates, religious figures imprinted on the coin or metal used. The collectors and the exhibitioners enthusiastically explained story of each coin and how they acquired it. There were also exhibits of currency notes from around the world.
Shruthi Giri reporting. Siliguri Open Style Free Dance Workshop held. Jasmine Subba of English Department reports.
The Department of Music, Salesian College Siliguri, in collaboration with Swara Heart of Dance Studio, organized a 3 days open style dance workshop from 13th to 15th March 2023 at the Kilian Arcade. The event commenced with the arrival of the guests Swagata Roy, founder of the studio, Subham Malik, the dance coach, and Devaj Mantri, his assistant. With the agile and friendly coach Subham Malik, the participating students easily learned the choreographies to 3 songs, Tumhe Jo Maine Dekha, Hum To Hai Cappuccino, and Ye Duriya. On the final day, the coach made the students perform the choreographies to all 3 songs. The event closed with a vote of thanks given by Sneashri Thapa, Head Department of Music, after which there was a group photo session.
Jasmine Subba reporting. Siliguri Salesian contingent lifts trophy at St. Xavier's College Kolkata Fest. Rajashri Saha reports.
Insignia 2023, 15th edition of the annual International Management Fest, organized by the Xavier's Commerce Society of St. Xavier's College Kolkata, was a 3-day event of nail-biting competition among the best young minds in country and abroad, with more than 100 students participating. A 12-member contingent from Salesian College Siliguri participated in the fest under the team name Heisenberg. Salesian students participated in all the 9 events, namely Business Quiz, Entrepreneurship, Best Manager, Finance, Human Resource, Marketing, Public and International Relations, Strategic Management, and Contingent. All the team members gave their best performances in spite of the tough competition prevailing among their opponents. Among the winners were Satyam Singhal of 3rd year BCom Honours, who won the Best Manager Award, and Ayush Agarwal of 3rd year BCom Honours, who won the Runners-up position in the Human Resource.
Rajashri Saha reporting. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.